Hello, good afternoon. It's not the New Year's Eve, unfortunately, for fireworks this year. Warnings in place for strong winds and heavy rain, already pushing in from the northwest during the course of this morning and transferring south and eastwards very slowly through tonight and first thing tomorrow, accompanied by strong and gusty winds. We're mild as well overnight tonight, but it is going to turn much colder as we head into New Year's Day itself. But for now, we concentrate on the heavy pulses of rain, slow moving, some intense outbreaks as we head into the early hours, accompanied by strong and gusty winds. And then tomorrow we're left with slightly brighter conditions, still blustery and with some wintry showers over the hills. Hello, a very good evening to you. Yes, thoroughly unsettled conditions for this year's New Year's Eve celebrations, dominated by a weather story with heavy rain and strong winds. It's all associated with this system. It's going to linger around midnight before sinking southwards early tomorrow, and what it introduces is a cold northerly blast into the first few days of 2025, but certainly on Thursday and for much of Friday, a lovely dose of winter sunshine, but bitterly cold. But back to the here and now. Plenty of rain. It will wax and wane in intensity, as will the winds in their intensity too, but there will be very wet and very windy spells. This is the snapshot at midnight as we head into New Year, and then continuing unsettled with some very intense outbreaks of rain and strong winds as we head towards dawn tomorrow. So unfortunately, it's not a very nice start as we head into tomorrow. There could be some localised flooding, dangerous driving conditions, but it will push away during the morning, introducing the colder air, bright and very blustery as we head towards lunchtime. You can see some snow showers over the mountain tops as we head towards the evening. They will push southwards quite quickly during the evening time, but introducing much colder and clearer conditions into the early hours. So a widespread frost as we head into Thursday morning. There's the risk of some icy stretches, but for most of us, a wonderful dose of winter sunshine, mostly dry and bright with plenty of blue sky. Definitely a change in type though, feeling bitterly cold by day and by night. The risk of frost and ice by night, and by day the risk of a few showers over the Pennines, perhaps in the north on Friday, and still a bit of a question mark about Saturday.